Hello, my name's Troy. Welcome to the post office, and today we're going to learn how to send a postcard and mail a package.
Wait, can I mail this?
Yeah.
Hi. Hello.
Go.
I want to buy a stamp.
$10, please.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whatever time you may be listening and viewing this, I hope that you are going to enjoy your time learning English. My name is Troy, and today we are going to learn about this place that you see in front of you. Who can tell me what this place is? If you guessed the post office, you are correct. We are going to learn about the post office. We're going to learn new words, new phrases, and we're going to be learning it in English. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay? So first, who can tell me, what do I do at the post office? Why do I go to the post office? Okay, do I eat at the post office? No. Do I play games at the post office? No. Well, if you don't know what we do at the post office, we're going to find out. So please sit back and relax and try to listen as best as you can and follow along. Let's start. So we're going to learn some vocabulary and key phrases to help you learn in English of what we might see and what we might do at the post office. First, what are these people? Who are these people? What are they doing? Where do they work? If you guessed post officer, you are correct. Let's say it together. Post officer. Post officer. Good. They work at the post office and they help with delivering mail to your house or your apartment. Let's move on. Okay, we have two pictures here. Now, the one on the left, what are these? Maybe you don't know yet. What about the one on the right? What's that? Well, together we can just say this is mail. Mail. Mail comes in all different forms, and we'll look into that, into the three different types that we're going to learn today. Okay? But first, we can use mail in two different ways. First, we have mail as the noun. What is a noun? Yeah, it's an object or a physical thing, right? It can be a person as well, but in this case, it is the mail, okay? You can see the packages on the right, and you can see the letters, advertisements, magazines on the left, okay? It is an object that you can hold, that you can see. It is something, okay? This is the first form of mail that we're going to learn about. And the three types of mail that we're going to learn about, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Maybe you have seen these before, but let's start with number 1 on the left-hand side, okay? Number 1, what do you think this is? If you guessed letter, you are correct. Do you write letters to your friends or family? Probably not. Letters are kind of old. We don't write letters anymore. We have our phones and computers. It's much quicker and fast. But letters are still a form of mail. And some people still send letters. Okay? Number 2. What is number 2? There's a hint in the picture. Yeah, that's right. Did you see it at the top? If you guessed postcard, it is a postcard. You are correct. Now, why would I send a postcard? What do I need postcards for? Postcards are for when I travel. When I go on vacation. I want to tell my friends where I am. For example, maybe I went to Canada. I want to send a postcard from Canada to my friends in South Korea, so my friends can see that I am in Canada and I was thinking about them. It's sort of like a letter, but it's a very short letter, and it has a picture of the country you went to. All right, and the last one, number 3. What is number 3? If you guessed box, you are correct. But we have a very specific name for this. This is called a package. Package, yes. Where do I get packages from? Well, if I buy something on the internet or from a different country, I will get a package sent to my house. And the thing that you bought will be in it. Okay? Now, as I mentioned, we're going to learn about 2 forms of mail. Okay, the second form is the verb form, which is also mail. It sounds the same. It is the exact same word in pronunciation, but it has a different meaning. So let's take a look at this. What do we have here? Let's just say we have a letter from the United States. I want to mail this letter to South Korea. So I'm going to mail the letter to Korea. Okay? We can also use it this way. Mail the mail. It sounds funny, but mail, the verb form, just means send. Send is a more common word that we would use when we are in the post office. I want to send a letter. I want to send a package. You can say, I want to mail the mail, but it might be confusing. So we would most likely say send, but now you know mail has 2 different forms. Before I send it, I need one of these. Now, this specific one is not one we would use to mail something. But what about these? These ones down here and up in the corner. If you guessed stamp, that is correct. Now, this one here is for your name, right? We cannot use this when sending mail. We have to pay for our stamps to send it. Maybe if you had to sign a document, you could use this, but we can only use these to send. So, a stamp. Now, where do I put my mail when I want to send it? What is this here? If you guessed mailbox, you are correct. You can also say postbox, but mailbox is good too. For now, we'll use mailbox. Good. All right. So we know about the types of mail. We learned a lot of the words. Let's start talking about key phrases, okay? So we know that mail means send. Send a, mail a, okay? This is the post box, the mailbox. What is this here? If you guessed letter, that is correct. Let's say together. Mail a letter. Good. Next. Do you remember what this was? Sort of a small letter with a picture when I travel? Yeah, correct. Postcard. Let's say together. Mail a postcard. Good. And do you remember the last one? Yeah, package. Let's say together. Mail a package. Good. Okay, so that brings us to our next portion of this lesson. We are going to take what we learned, key phrases and our vocabulary, and we're going to use it in a dialogue in English. Okay? So don't be scared. It looks like a lot of English, and it is, but I promise you, you'll do fine. Let's take a look. So before we start the dialogue, there are two people. We already know one, but we need to learn one more person. Okay, we have the customer. Let's say customer. Good. And you already know the post officer. So in this picture here, who can tell me who is the customer? If you guessed this lady here, she is the customer. And this lady is the post officer. What is the customer sending, or what is she going to mail? Well, it looks like she has a package here and here, okay? So we're going to learn about this. In the dialogue, you will see the words that we have used in red. So you know which words we have used, and you can see that. So first, let's take a look at how we would mail or send a package. Are you ready? Okay, follow along. Hello, welcome to the post office. Hello. How may I help you today? I need to mail a package. Okay, please let me see your package. Here you are. It will cost $10. Thank you. Okay, not so bad, right? So, the customer, what are they mailing? Yeah, they're mailing a package. Good. How much does it cost? $10. Good. All right, let's move on to mailing a postcard. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to the post office. I need to send a postcard. First, you will need to buy a stamp. How much is the stamp? The stamp will cost $2. Here you are. Thank you. You can put it in the mailbox. Where's the mailbox? It is next to the door. Excellent. What is the customer sending? Yeah, a postcard. And remember, mail and send is the same thing. Good. And what did we put the postcard in? Yeah, we put it in the mailbox. Good job. All right, that ends our post office dialogue and lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, welcome to the post office.
Hello.
How may I help you today?
I would like to send this package.
Oh, let me see the package.
Here you are.
Ooh. That will cost $10.
All right. Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to the post office.
Hi, I need to send a postcard.
First, you need to buy a stamp.
How much is a stamp?
The stamp will cost $2.
Here you are.
Thank you. You can put it in the mailbox.
Oh, where is the mailbox?
It's next to the door.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello, welcome to the post office.
Hello.
How may I help you today?
I would like to send this package.
Oh, let me see the package.
Here you are.
Ooh. That will cost $10.
All right. Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome to the post office.
Hi, I need to send a postcard.
First, you need to buy a stamp.
How much is a stamp?
The stamp will cost $2.
Here you are.
Thank you. You can put it in the mailbox.
Oh, where is the mailbox?
It's next to the door.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.